Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or IBF's Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here, asking me to buy this particular product for them. So you can see my conversation with this particular person right here. This is the product requirement, and this is the seller QR code right here. You can see all my chats with this person right here, just like so. And this is the product detail, and this is a laptop use component or use laptop part, and we want to get this particular product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. So you can see I have already contacted the seller on Xianyu, and then the seller has given us the price of the product, and what we want to do now is to straight go ahead and, buy the. So what we want to do right now is to go ahead and buy the used laptop parts from the seller straight up in Xianyu. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here, and I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my Xianyu app right here. So I'm going to click on here now to open up the Xianyu app. Just like so, having opened up the Xianyu app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and upload the product code. I'm going to go ahead and click on here now. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to upload the product code. Then right here, I'm going to go ahead and select the product code and I'll upload. And in a few seconds, it's going to take me to the exact sales page of that particular seller in Xianyu. You can see the details from here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, and then you're going to see my chart with the seller, just like what you see right here. So you can see my chart with the seller right here, and this is the products we want to buy from this laptop part right here. So we only need this one right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we're going to buy this particular used laptop part from Xianyu. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, iDovish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see right here, so the seller has already told me the price of the part, and this is the part right here. For me to buy this part, I need to go ahead and click on here now. Then here we go. I need to go ahead and make sure I select this. Just like so, I need to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Just like so, I need to go ahead and continue with this. Click on here to continue. Allow the Alipay to connect. Lastly, I need to go ahead and click on here to proceed with the payment. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. I'll go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I chat with the seller. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back. I'm going to close this pop-up right here. So from the chat right here, you see a proof that we just made payment right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign, select the image icon, then select the proof of payment right here and send it to the seller, just like so. And lastly, I will go ahead and make sure I write a backup message to this particular order. For that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I exit from my Xianyu app right here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my Google Translate. Just like so. Having opened up Google Translate, if you do not have Google Translate on your phone, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, consider to go to your App Store in iPhone to download Google Translate. If you are using Android phone, go to your app, Google Play Store, and download Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that allows you to translate from one language to another language. So here, I'm going to go ahead and select my primary language to be English language and the secondary language to be Chinese. I'll go ahead and enter my text. So I'm going to say, I just made payment now. Kindly send me picture. Kindly send the product to my address, and also send me the product picture package, product picture package before you send it. Thank you so much. Just like so. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to copy this Chinese character, and then I'll come back to the seller right here. I'll click on here and paste the charts and send to the seller, just like so. As soon as they are available online, they will apply my chart right here. Lastly, we need to go ahead and confirm the order. Click on here to go back, then click on here to go back. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. It's going to take you to your profile. Go ahead and click on here to find the order you just placed. Just like so, you can see it right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy this part right here on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu right here. I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp so you can see my chat with this person right here. This is the quotation and the calculation of everything. You can see the product picture. So I'm going to go ahead and click on attach gallery. Then I will add the proof of payment and say payment. I'll say payments done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on Xianyu, 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.